This one is on meditation. You do not have to be a guru to meditate. There's no special trick, no special magic. The biggest element that involves meditation is having the discipline and taking the time to do it. And through taking this time, anywhere from 3 minutes to 5 minutes to 10 minutes to a half hour, even more a day. Some people meditate for 2 hours a day. Through the practice of the meditation, you develop a taste for it. And I found in my own practice that I also develop a hunger for the sense of equanimity within myself and the sense of emptiness that meditation nurtures. The prime ingredients to require meditation: go to the bookstore, buy a little book, read, attend a few introductory classes, insight meditation, Lila yoga. There are many meditation classes throughout the city, and once you learn the simple basics, you can take them away and start doing it yourself. Meditation is a very holistic form to me of self-medication and self-healing and putting it all together. Especially in New York City, where we live, where the stimulus is nonstop, where we're always called upon to work and play and work out, and the isolation can really be quite chilling. The prime ingredients for meditation, I said, are time, and you can either sit quietly either on the floor with your legs crossed or simply in a chair, as I do. I'm lucky to be able to go outside a lot. I meditate under the sky a lot. Sunshine in summer and winter, and sometimes even at night, moon meditation, star meditation. You may use points of focus to meditate, to set your eyes gently upon this thing a few feet in front of you or way off into the horizon, and focus on your breathing. But you can also close your eyes while you're meditating. I think the most important element in a meditation practice to me is to simply diligently observe your own thoughts, your own feelings, and not act out on them. Because through this simple process, we get to know ourselves better. We get to love ourselves better. And through meditation, which is actually loving kindness and compassion on yourself, I feel that it's much easier to then turn that love out into the world. So focus on your breathing, eyes open, eyes closed. Give it 5 minutes a day. Sit quietly in a space. If you're at the workplace, take a break for 5 minutes, go into a room. Give it 5 minutes in the beginning. I meditate sometimes for as long as a half hour a day. And also in Thich Nhat Hanh's book, he talks about the integration, the similarities between meditation and resting. You don't want to fall asleep while you meditate, but it's very important to realize that the non-activity of meditation, which is indeed a practice, also involves a strong element of resting. It is the practice of reflection that enables us to get to know ourselves better, to love ourselves better. And to me, the detachment from things, whether they be addictions, sex, alcohol, chocolate, being with people all the time, cars, SUVs, wanting to have a lot of money, or just the giving upness of this thingness, which is so pervasive in our society. To me, that's a key element of meditation. Meditation is a sanctuary.